Okay, in this video we're going to talk you through creating the size 8 title block logo. And we're going to do this where we're going to create a block for the logo, and then that block will then, once it's embedded in the file, it will always follow the file. In years past we've actually had some issues where we would use the attach tool, and the problem is that it would lose its location because AutoCAD was going out and finding its location somewhere. And if that object or file was not accessible to that location in the file, or the file was deleted, you wouldn't have a logo. So this is what you would get, was this line that says user Lacharowitz desktop GA. It's gone. We can't find it. So we'd have to reattach it. So instead of doing it this way, I'm going to go ahead and hit delete on that. We're going to go ahead and set up a block. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we are going to have to go and get the logo. So I'm going to go back out here, and we're going to go ahead and it says here download the logo file and save it to your laptop or TechEd server folder. Well, we can go ahead and do that. We can download this file. So it's coming in. We're going to hit the download button, and it pops up. We're going to go ahead and show in the folder that we have this logo right here. So what we're going to do is we have to get this logo into AutoCAD. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. I will use the attach tool to do that. So we'll go back here into AutoCAD. So I come up and grab the attach tool, grab the attach tool, and I'm going to grab the logo from my downloads and hit open. And then I'm going to specify on screen insertion point, hit OK. And now I want to size it. So I'm going to just find that bottom end grip, let this thing grow out, and I'll click. The reason why I just click short is I'm going to highlight it, then grab the other grip and drag it out very carefully to the correct location. So now I have this in position, and you'd be very tempted just to say, oh, it's done, let's move on. Well, what will happen is as we move from laptop to desktop here to school to home, we're going to lose this. Okay, we're going to lose that location. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and just move this thing off of my title block so I can see the edges a little bit better and don't get wrapped up with those lines. And now we're going to build a block. So to do that, we're going to come up here. We'll go to the Insert tab. We click Create Block. Come down to Create Block again. Then we're going to name it Gettysburg Area High School Logo. Then we're going to come down here. We need to select the objects. So the objects that we want to turn into a block, we're going to click on this, and then it says Select Objects. So I select the logo, I hit Enter on the keyboard, and it takes me back to the definition. And now what it's going to do is it's going to want to know where the insertion point is going to be. So I'm going to hit OK, and now it asks me specify insertion base point. So this is going to be the corner that I want to utilize to place this when I create the block. So now the block has been created. This is now a block. Okay. When I select it, you can see that's the corner point. So when I drag this down here, I can drop it onto my title block very quickly and easily. Now this should follow all of my drawing files that have a title block. If I copy this out of here and into another drawing, it should go with it. It's not an external link that it was looking for, like what the attach tool does. So hopefully this helps you keep that logo linked to the title block and moving forward smooth.